crazy, man.
Hey nerds, and we are back, and I do want to apologize for the lack of videos as of late. I have been so busy with my move that things have just been so hectic and just not been feeling that well either. So, you know, we're just kind of back though with me here with my messy hair because I showered and I didn't like completely brush it. I just and then I was out of there. So, because I was kind of in a hurry to get out of the shower today, and but yeah, so this is going to be like my last set of videos in this bedroom here, the one that I've been in for the last year now. So pretty exciting. I'm going to be in a new apartment next week, and I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be fun. New friend that I'm moving in with, so it's going to be an adventure and a half, and I can't wait to see all the new memories I make in this new place. So because this one's been an adventure so far this year. And yeah, and speaking of which, one of the first things I'm going to do, March 11th, I'm going to be doing a 2-year anniversary live stream. A couple of you guys already noticed. I mentioned it on Twitter. I'm going to probably do like a little promo short video for it this coming weekend. And so we get about a week to let everyone know, kind of spread it around, let you know that, you know, we're going to get together. We're going to open some packs. I bought another one of these. This is my Sun and Moon Ultra Prism Booster box that I purchased, but I bought another one. I've never bought 2 booster boxes before. This is a pretty cool set that I've been very excited for. Haven't had too much of a chance to open it. I know there's been so many openings. I know I'm so far behind. It's just been so incredibly difficult for me to keep up for the last few months. So, but yeah, beyond that, wow. I'm just kind of chatting on and on. I know you guys want to see the cards, but yes, there'll be pack openings. I ordered a base set booster pack, so first time ever you're going to see me open a base set booster pack on this channel. It will be live, so that's going to be pretty exciting. And yeah, it'll be a good time. Just get together, have some fun, just chat a little bit. It's been a while since I've done a stream, so, you know, I kind of want to do it. So, either way, yes, to what you guys really want, what you saw on the thumbnail, the Ultra Prism Sun and Moon Booster Box, and I will be opening 6 packs of these per episode, so I'm going to do 3 this week and 3 next week. And yeah, it's going to be a real good time. I can't wait. I've been just sitting here with this, just waiting to open this up, and you should see how red my face is, right? Because I'm just too excited about this. Oh my god, you don't even know. After Crimson Invasion, that set was just so awful. It's just so nice, and after just, like, you can see that Dialga GX that I pulled in my pack battle with my friends, Legendary Unleashed and Magby TCG Tube. They, it was really good. We all did pretty good, but Maggie completely blew us out of the water, pulling a hyper rare Celesteela, and she pulled another GX card, but I can't remember what, but she got 8 points, and that was something else. Like, I've gotten better pulls out of the net. I remember, I think my best pack battle, I think I got like 12 points, but yeah, that was pretty amazing. And oh, there we go. So we're gonna pull the Ultra Prism back there. Ooh. Oh man, I love this. Oh, look at all these packs, So how we're going to do this, we're going to do one side at a time. We're going to do this side first. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you might see I still have my Steam Siege, the bulk from that box over there. I'm just going to keep it over here as a little bit of a decoration. And I have some trash on my table. That's embarrassing, but okay. Well, I look embarrassing, but it's okay. I'm okay with that. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's 7. Did I pull too many packs? Yes, I did. So you're going back. Don't worry, we'll open you here in just a bit. So either way, we got ourselves a, what is this, it's the Dawn Wings Necrozma, the Duskmane Necrozma, the Leafeon GX, the Giratina. We got ourselves another Leafeon, another Giratina. So you know what, we're going to make ourselves a Necrozma sandwich. We'll do this one last and this one first. So it's the Duskmane. Oh my god. So anyways guys, so how many of you have had a chance to tear into some of these packs? I've only, oh wow, this is coming apart pretty easily. So there you go. There is your code card. Let me know in the comments section below if you get anything decent out of that. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. My pulls have been so far. My first opening wasn't very good, but then I got that Dialga GX, so you know that's a pretty okay pull to get. So anyway, so we're starting off with our Psychic Energy, Magneton, Oranguru, Drifblim, Hippopotas, Riolu, Alolan Diglett, Piplup, Slandit, and our reverse is a Unit Energy. That's a pretty cool looking card. I think there's a secret rare version of this in the set too. So, and our rare is a Wash Rotom. The Rotoms are kind of the trolls of this set because there's so freaking many of them. Kind of like the Oricorio, and I believe it was it in Guardians Rising? I'm pretty sure it was in Guardians Rising. So, either way, let's set this code aside. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and let us begin. Let's see if we get a good pull. I haven't pulled a Prism card yet, and that would be pretty exciting to finally get my first Prism card. And oh look, another Unit Energy, Prinlup, Oranguru, that's a Sneasel, Lickitung, Carnivine, Glameow, Drifloon, and as a reversal Drifloon, and our rare is a and that is a holographic Magmortar. So that is a hit, and I am very happy to get, well, pretty much anything, because my pulls have just been all over the place lately. So I'll take it because I don't have it. So actually, I think that might be my first holo from the set. So yeah, there you go. Away, here's hoping that we can get some good pulls. I would love to get me some of that, one of those golden tickets, you know, get my ticket to Wonka's Magic Factory. So, although that sounds like it might be an awful experience depending on who you are. Alright, so anyways, we're starting off with a Fighting Energy, Magneton, Palpad, Lexio, Bronzor, Dewpider, Piplup, Skorupi, Stunky, Reverse Ranma, still no Prism, and our rare is a Tapu Lele regular rare, and that is pretty neat. I don't think I have this yet, so there you go. Anyways, and I hear the pulls in these boxes are pretty much all over the place, so you might get really good pulls, you might get really bad pulls. We don't know. We're hoping for really good pulls, though. I bought this from a company, it was like called The Cool Place, something like that. They were the last ones to have them for sale for like $90, and that's why I got it from there. Most recent one is actually coming from, oh my god, look at this. From my friend Pokebalt, over at Queen City Gaming. He has a store, and he actually has probably the best prices right now. 2, 3, and 4. I think it was $97 shipped for a booster box, which I realize that for other sets it might be pricey, but for this one, well, they're not printing any more booster boxes. I'm kind of glad that I got my second one. So goodbye, Manaphy, Buneri, Morlo, Magmar. Ooh, very neat. Come on. Chimchar, Sneasel. Ooh, and Fan Rotom. That is a reverse rare. I got excited for that. For some reason, I thought that might be a Prism. And our rare is a Araquanid regular rare. So, ooh. So far, we got 2 packs left. Oh man. Hopefully, we're getting our bad packs out of the way. We don't end up like one person I saw whose box just ended up being a complete dud with almost nothing in it. I mean, it was kind of funny to watch, but it wasn't funny at the same time. Oh my god, I'm sorry, dude, if you're watching. Anyways, 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the front. Come on, let's get one pull. We got a holo. I mean, it's okay. If we can get another holo, that'd be alright, but at least let's get one GX or a Prism, and I would be okay with that. Little Diglett, a Skateboard, Sharam, Alolan Sandrew, Hippopotas, Riolu, Alolan Diglett, Piplup, and Reverse Floatzel. What is it? is that? That's just an uncommon. And our rare is a Luxray holographic. Very nice. Shout out to Mouse Alchemist. Nice. So, man. Okay, so this opening could be a lot, much better, honestly. But, we got one more pack. Maybe we'll get ourselves a nice big pull here. Come on. Come on, just one GX card. That's all I want is one GX or better. I'll take the Prism too. Oh dear. Oh, don't wanna knock that around. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the front. All right, come on. Let's say our prayers to the Poke Gods. All right, starting off with our water energy. Woo, Shieldon, Unidentified Fossil, Cherum, Salandit, Passimian, Shinx, Execute, Magnemite, a reverse. Ooh, that is pretty. Is that a rare? Yep, that is a reverse rare Alolan Sandslash. I don't think we've had a GX version of this yet, so pretty sweet. And our rare is it is a Shaman regular rare, but a Shaman card is always fun to pull. After Roaring Skies, how many people wanted to pull that Shaman so bad, and now it's not worth anything because it came out of rotation. So, anyways, nerds, let's see what our pulls are. These are our rares. Let's just set these aside. So, I swear I should be more chatty, but I'm not. You guys are like, your pack opening should be entertaining. They're not entertaining, Cass. You're not very entertaining at all, and I'm going to say I'm sorry. But I'm not sorry. So, either way, so we got our reverse rare, Van Rotem, a reverse rare, Alolan Sandslash, Hollow Magmortar, and a Hollow Luxray. And those overall are pretty decent pulls. I mean, open 6 packs. 1 out of 3, if you don't take into the reverse rares into consideration, is pretty average, so that's about what you'd expect in terms of hollows. But that just means that all the good pulls are still waiting to come for us in the remainder of the box. So anyways, nerds, if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section below. If you did not, well, tell me what you didn't enjoy. I am always willing to change things out a little bit if you feel like, there's something I could do better. So let me know, and be sure to follow me on social media at Twitter at Jedi_Cast, and on Facebook at Cast the Nerd. And I will see you nerds in the next video. Later.